Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We are playing a demo for a horror game that's set to come out next Tuesday called The Fridge is Red. This is kind of a VHS Puppet Combo style horror game. So the resolution is going to be a little bit more grainy, old school kind of looking. Not as crisp as some of the games today. But it is a cool, unique style of horror game. So I'm excited to try it and play the full game when it comes out on Tuesday. Also, I'm just in a really good mood today. I don't know why. I'm just feeling good. Just the vibes are good today. Things are starting to work in my favor in my personal life. And I'm just in a good mood. Oh, and grab a snack, grab a cat, put your earphones on, turn them bitches up, and let's dive right in. Okay. Immediately just open the fridge. Ooh, got some lasagna with a note that says, "For Daddy to work." The picture of me. I'm guessing I'm Daddy. Oh, is that an eyeball? Oh no. And then this is fidgeted cherry. These look quite delicious. I think I'm just gonna pass though for now. Oh wait, do I have to... Oh, take. Oh. For Daddy to work. Okay. Phone. They hung up. Okay, that's zoom, right bumper zoom. Okay. Okay, that was a beautiful startup sound. Clock. What? It's 11 p.m. I have to go home. Aw, little picture on the desk. There we go. Oh, I can open these drawers. Can't take any pills. Okay, they're just for fun apparently. Oh. Little bottle of booze next to my desk. Empty. Well, I already drank that one. It's been a long day. Let's go home. Radio. Okay. Ah! Ah! Good enough. Okay, let's go home. I have to turn off the lights or the cleaning lady will grumble or something. Can I open the window? The walking is very slow. Okay, let's turn off the lights. And... What? I just turned it off. The computer turned back on? Turn off. I'm trying to go home. What the heck? Oh, that's beautiful. Get in the elevator. Get in the elevator. Get in the... Get... Something tells me I should probably get in the elevator. Did they all say it? Okay. And I can't open any of them, apparently. How weird would it be to, like, work in a place like this, where everyone had their own office? And so, like... Oh, vending machine. Can I buy something? I don't have any Monet. Damn. Alright. Oh. That's Sherry's office. She's a bitch anyways. Okay. Also, why are all the bitchy people in HR? They're either recruiters or they're in HR. They're just, like, not nice. Okay. Let's get in the elevator. We're on floor number 9. This is why I love my job. So I'm a copywriter full-time. I work from home for a tech company. And I don't have to deal with offices or buildings or anything like that. I can just sit in my Comfy clothes on my desk and right, and it's the best. Okay, safety rules. Press button for desired floor. Elevator gate will automatically close. Elevator will stop at the desired floor, although it may make additional stops on the way for other passengers. On arrival at your floor, elevator gate will automatically open partway. Open gate balance of distance by hand. Leave elevator cabinet once. Well, that sentence made no sense. On arrival at your floor, elevator gate will automatically open part way. Open gate balance of distance by hand. Okay. To stop elevator in emergency, press button marked stop. To summon help, press button marked call. Ellie North Elevator Company. Okay, I guess I want to go to 1. I'm assuming my car is on 1. Oh. Who is that? Ah! Someone in a wheelchair was was booking it towards me. That's creepy. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I know there's a, should I call for help? Call. Operator. Yes, I see that the elevator is stuck now. I'll try to do something about it. Thanks, operator. You sound like a demon, but I need your help, so do not try to get out on your own. Oh gosh. Maybe I can go to a different floor. It's an eyeball! Hi! Little peepin' Tom. It's me again, I'm up here. I'll try to figure... Up here? As in above the elevator? Can I click on the eye? Do they all pop out? Oh. Put it back. Just stab that bitch in the eye. After I'm done here, I have to go down to the technical floor and restart. Ooh, restart the generator. Okay, well. Hurry up! I'm trying to get home and watch my show. Thanks. If you are fed up with the music, you can enter the code 66666. Of course it's 6. And then the music will stop. I kind of like it. Okay, anyways, not really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that him? Just to grab his flashlight. Oh no! Jump in! Jump in! You okay? Oh. Alright, well. Okay. Honey, I'm not gonna be home in time. Sorry. Just put my food in the fridge. I have to go to hell really quick. Okay, bye. What do I do? Press stop? Oh, jeez. Oh.
Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
That's the operator. Homeboy got sliced. Wow. His final moments. He was just trying to help me get out of the elevator. Damn. Well, thanks for the sacrifice. Okay. I think he said something about restarting a generator, so I'm wondering if that's what I need to do. Staff lounge or generator? Well, the generator door is locked, so we will go to the staff lounge. Is hell really just a staff lounge? Actually, it's kind of believable. Just like a break room. A big break room. With stale coffee. Sounds about right. Okay. We're going further and further. Uh-oh, is my flashlight giving out? Okay. Staff lounge, generator. Oh. Ah. Okay. Locker room? Staff lounge. Oh! Hey, friend! Did you take a trip to hell too? This company always keeps me guessing.
That's suspicious.
What the hell? He was there, right? Did I just see that? He was there. I feel like I'm going crazy. There was a guy reading a book. What the hell is that? Do I dare even open it?
What was that?
Bruh.
Okay. James.
Hi. That's just Kevin. Okay. Can I buy anything? Oh. Do you want some beer? Kevin. What the hell? Bye, Kevin. That beer like slowed me down. Okay, wait, I'm gonna go back to the break room. Oh. You picked up a key to the locker room. Nice. Oh, okay. There's a staff card in there. So, I need quarters. Are these quarters? No, those aren't quarters. If you need coins, look in Mitchell's locker. Wow. Thanks, Pete. Have a good night. Pete's a great guy. Locker room. Oh. Who did he say? Mitchell? Savini, Juan, Craven, W. Oh, I'm looking. Is Mitchell the last name? Mitchell could go either way. Nakata? Mitchell. Hey, look, some quarters. Yeah. Oh. Ah, Mitchell. What a dog. Oh! Who's looking at that? Eggers? Oh my. Let's close that. That's old Winnell. Always keeping blood in his locker. Classic. Okay. Maybe I should inspect the other ones actually, just in case. Are they all bloody? Oh. Picked up a flashlight. Oh. They all have like porn in there. Ah! Ah! Okay, I'm leaving. Do I just leave those going? That seems like a health violation, but whatevs. Okay. So let's go get the staff ID card. Yeah. Whose card is it? Why can't I like flip it? I feel like it's so stupid. I can't do this. Tim Kudrow. Picked up the Tim's pass. Is that all you have to say? Wow. Alright, take it easy. Okay, so Tim's pass. Okay, I'm guessing I can go down to the generator now. Oh, Kevin. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, so I cannot walk through that. Okay, let's go down here. Guessing... Can I crawl? Nope, I can't crawl. Okay. Huh. Is this the generator? Seems very simple for a generator, but... Okay. So, let's go back up and... Or, maybe that's not the generator. Maybe it turned out off that blood in that hallway. I guess we'll find out. Oh yeah, looks like it did. Nice. I feel like I missed a door. Oh shiz. They can't be replaced. Your fingers can't be replaced? Well. This must be the generator. Oh, I think because I have Tim's pass, it allows me to go into all these gated doors. Tim must be like the safety and security guy. He has all the pass. Oh. Wait, did I already come this way? Okay, wait. I can't remember. Okay, wait, am I supposed to go back to the elevator? Locker room, staff room. Okay. Let's, oh, well, yeah, I turned the generator on, so duh. I'm an idiot. That's the whole reason the operator died, is to turn on the generator. Rest in peace, operator. Rest in peace. Thank you for your sacrifice for me. Which way is the elevator? I think it's this way. Here we go. Okay. Here's the elevator. I wonder... Oh, he's gone. Oh. Let's see if I can open this thing now that I have Tim's pass. Oh. There's the fridge. Lori's story. Looks like Blue's Clues or some shit. Dad and a daughter. I'm guessing that's me. And a mom. Happy. Wearing little matching red clothes. Oh, the mom is now paralyzed. But we're still happy. Oh, is that it? Okay, well, that was nice. Okay, well, I'm gonna go now. So I'm guessing I'm the dad, and that's my daughter and my wife. I'm not sure. I hope I didn't paralyze her or something crazy. Oh. Oh. I have arrived somewhere. Oh. Hi, everyone. Are they all naked? I missed the memo, guys. I'm sorry. I didn't realize we were doing the company retreat this weekend. I'm so sorry. Well, you guys have fun. Don't take too much ecstasy or whatever you're doing. You're all shaking your heads like you took something. I don't know. There's an eye. The same eye that was on the fridge. Oh, that is the fridge. Behind him. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Elevator's kind of deteriorating a little bit. Where are we going? Am I supposed to press something? Oh. Those bugs. Oh, hey, it's Pete. Hi, Pete. Oh, wait. Oh, that's my wife and my daughter? A doll of some sort? Hey guys, would you mind letting me out of here? I'm guessing that's me. So that was me on the couch in the break room, not a different guy. That's me, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I remember this said, it will open part way, open gate balance of distance by hand. So can I, like, get out? Oh, jeez. Okay, well, I guess I can't do anything. So, goodbye. I like poking out all the eyeballs. It's kind of fun. What is happening? And what is all this? Supposed to open? Can I call? What am I supposed to do here? Oh! There's a number on the pages. Oh, I cannot see 2. I can't really see. Dang it. Okay, wait, stop. What is all this on the wall? My first thought is it kind of looks like, I don't even want to say it, jizz, but I don't even know what it is. Okay, wait. There's the doll again. No. 9 0 9092 okay. 9092. It's not 9092. Stop it. Oh my gosh. It's everywhere. Gross. Okay, let's try it again. I think that's what I'm supposed to do. Otherwise, it's not gonna go anywhere. Okay. No. 9 0 9 2. Stop. Okay, maybe it's 9 0 6 2. 6 0 6 2. That music is so annoying. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, I think I gotta wait a second and then turn it back on. Stop! Come on, give me the code. Okay. That looks like a 9. What is that? 9 blank 092. Right? 9 4. Oh my gosh, are you kidding? 9 4 0 9 2. I can barely tell from this. Stop! It's definitely 9. Nine 1 0 9.
Oh my god! Wow!
That's what it is. It was a 1. Oh my gosh, I was missing that 1. It's really hard to see in the video. I kind of just guessed like 9 0 blank 9 2, and I just kept guessing what that number was. Okay. So this is... Oh, Enderman. Oh, a lot of Endermans. Okay, can I walk on this? These are dead bodies. Love it. Oof. Crowbar. We picked up a crowbar. Oh! Hand. Oh, there's a 1 on the back. That seems significant. The hand moved to the elevator. Remain 4. Oh, there it is. Okay. Guessing it's another code, so we have to go to... Oh gosh. Are the body parts moving around? Oh. Please don't hurt me. See, I don't belong here. I don't know what you guys got going on, but I'm a good person. I don't belong here. Oh, peace woman. I genuinely am just trying to like clock out at work and go home. I haven't even clocked out yet. Like, I mean, I'm getting paid for this, but unless I'm salary, then I'm screwed. Oh! I have a crowbar. 5. The hand moved to the elevator. So I got 3 more. Okay. Oh, was wondering what would happen. Now I know. They kind of like run at you. I gotta go over this way, so I'm gonna need you to get it over with. Yeah. Where are all the other vending machines? Oh, I guess I didn't go to this one. Or wait, did I? I can't remember. Hi. Okay. Wait. Inspect. 3. 2 remaining. Okay. I think there's 2 over there that I'm missing. Oh, there's the elevator. There's one way over here. Oh, and there's one right there. Okay. They're kind of hard to see. Oh my gosh, that actually really scared me. Woo! Okay. So this one is a 4. 4. Hand move to the elevator, remaining 1. I think I saw one over here. Okay, there's the last one. Cool. Oh, middle finger. Or maybe that's the ring finger. Oh yeah, I think that's the ring finger. 2. Hand move to the elevator. Okay. So let's go back to the elevator, and I'm assuming that's the code that I put in to get the heck out of here. Oh, I wonder if the fingers play a part in which number you put in which spot. That would suck. Otherwise, how are you supposed to know? Yeah, how are you supposed to know which number goes in which order? So, getting back into my... Okay. So... Okay. Is the first finger the thumb? The 5 has no fingers, so I'm guessing that's 1. So 5. 5, 4. 5, 4, 1, 3, 1. Wait, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. Let's try that. 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. No. Okay. Maybe it counts down, so the 1 is first because it has 5. 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. Stop. 1, 4, 3, 2. It's not that either. Okay. This is honestly so confusing. I feel like I'm looking at this all wrong. Each hand has like 2 numbers. It has the number on the hand, the number of fingers it's holding up or lack of fingers, and then which number of finger. Is the thumb 1 or is the pinky 1? Okay, so maybe... Oh my gosh, look at this room. It is covered. Okay. Maybe the first number I hit, because 1, so it'd be 5. So 5, 1, 2, 2, 0, 5, 1, 2, 2, 0. Was that it? That was it. Oh my gosh. That part took me so long. Okay. There's the doors to freedom. Hug your wife. Go home. Huh? Hug my wife and go home and stop drinking? Oh, well. Play with your daughter. Everything but the stop drinking. Seems pretty personal. Be with your family. You'll be fine. Goodbye, mysterious jizz elevator. I'll miss you.
You freaking bricks!
Oh! Daddy. Oh. Take your eyes off. Don't take your eyes off. Oh. What is inside the red fridge? Whoa, look at that quality. So that was The Fridge is Red. Like I said, the full game does come out on Tuesday, so I will be playing that. So stick around for that full game. I'm excited to see what's to come and see what's in the fridge. I also am not sure if the fridge, like, I'm a little confused on the plot, but the fridge might have, like, taken my daughter or something. I don't really know, or maybe I'm the fridge. I have no clue. But all I know is I like these style of games and they're fun to play. Not a lot of jump scares, but the right amount of unsettling kind of atmosphere and kind of gross in some parts, but it all makes for a good game. Thanks for sticking it out with me and coming along for the ride, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.